It is really interesting to see how the new normal seems, as this has always been there. It's the end of the year, but nothing really operates like how it did 11 months ago. Children start their classes from home every morning, and everything is as per plan. Activities, art, academics, theatre, volunteering, and events. Everything is normal.
While we prepared for the new academic session, the nation declared a lockdown. Everything stopped. We are a non-profit which provides quality education, good food, and a safe haven for the children living in the slums. But now, the children could not even come to school. The kitchen could not churn out food. The parents of our students had lost their jobs, and we were at a risk of a mass migration of the beneficiaries to the villages.
There was really no reference point at that time. There were no rule books, no guides, and no internet search could tell us how to tread further. We had to dig deep within ourselves, dig deep into the values that built Lotus Petal, service to the nation and humanity before the self.
Without wasting a single day, we pivoted into a complete online school model. Our YouTube channel became the starting point that gradually moved into live lectures, books and stationery given to the children, keeping in mind everyone had to be safe. Devices and data packs had to be provided. Individuals responded, donated towards technology, events held and organized to raise funds, better security systems set up to ensure smooth and safe online school.
Within 2 days of the lockdown, our school kitchen had transformed into a community kitchen, belting out food for almost 2,000 people every single day. The deluge of the migrant workers walking through the blistering heat, people waiting at railway station, on the streets, we had to respond to their suffering. Our team was very motivated to serve, but emotionally beaten, looking at the extent of the suffering and with no end in sight.
Jobs were lost, daily wages affected. We had to comfort the families of our children so they don't lose hope and migrate to the village. We started Blue Khoj, a job portal for the blue-collar jobs. Support a family, where donors could directly pay monthly allowance to the families of our children in their bank account. Even as the nation went towards unlock, hunger and unemployment continued. We started the Zero Hunger Food Bank to provide cooked food and dry ration kits, toiletries and hygiene products to women and girls. All this continues, making it the new normal. And today we can look back and say, we did it. Piece by piece, one day at a time, we got everything together. And we will continue to stretch ourselves to find ways to innovate and reach out to those in dire need.
Lotus Petal is a place where all of us meet to transform. In giving, we receive joy. In sharing, we grow. In a year where we were socially distant, we came together by providing education, nutrition, and restoring livelihood. Because at Lotus Petal, no obstacle is stronger than the purpose.